Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you're fine at home and doing really well at home. So today is Tuesday and the date is 12th of January 2021 and today we are going to do our maths work. So please take out your maths book, that is hands-on mathematics. So today what we are going to do, we are going to do about the geometry, and in geometry first of all we are going to revise our shapes, the sides and the corners. Fine. So what are these shapes and how we find out their sides and their corners? Getting this point? So today we are going to revise that first and then we are going to learn about the 3D shapes according to the 2D shapes. Fine. We till now we were doing the shapes which you draw on your paper. Okay, now we are going to study about the 3D shapes related to the shapes you draw on the paper. Fine. When you see that kind of a shape in 2D and then we saw that shape in 3D, so the name of that 3D shapes changes according to the shape 2D shape. Okay, so let's start with the revision first. So we have four basic shapes that are square, rectangle, circle and triangle. So starting with a square, a plane figure with a four equal straight sides and a four right angle. So when we join two sleeping lines and two standing lines and all the lines are equal, when your sleeping lines and standing lines are equal and then you join and make a shape, that shape is known as square. That shape is known as square. So square has four sides: one, two, three and four sides. And how many corners? Four corners. Why? Because four lines are meeting at four different points, and those points, the meeting points of two line, is known as one corner. The meeting point of two line is known as one corner. So you can see one, two, three, and four corners. So four lines, four corners, four sides, four corners. Getting this point? So this is square. Then rectangle. So rectangle is a shape when a plane figure with a four straight sides, four right angle, especially one with unequal adjacent sides and contrast to a square. Here also we are joining two sleeping lines and two standing lines. But here the standing lines measurement is different from the sleeping line. Okay, so the standing line is the length of standing line is different from the sleeping line. So when we have two sides equal, then it is known as rectangle. Even rectangle also has four sides and four corners. Four sides and four corners. You can see here that these two sleeping lines are same and these two standing line are same. So this is known as rectangle. When the sides are not equal, all the sides are not equal. Getting this point? After that, circle. A circle is a round shaped figure that has no corner, no edge. When there is no side, there is only one curved line starting from one point and meeting at the same point. Meeting at the same point. That is known as circle. Then we have a triangle. A triangle is a closed two-dimensional shape with the three straight sides. Okay, when my three lines join together, then they are known as triangle. So three sides, three lines, three corners. Getting this point? So these were the basic shapes you will see around you. Now, according to these basic shapes, we have 3D shapes. For circle, we call this as sphere. So you watch, you saw, you observe these shapes in your daily life. Your ball, your basketball, your cricket ball, your tennis ball, your crazy ball, all these balls are of sphere shape, are of sphere shape. When you touch, when you feel the 3D of circle, then it is known as sphere. Okay? Getting this point? So, sphere is the shape you will call for the 3D of circle. Getting this point? A sphere is a round, ball shaped solid. It has one continuous surface with no edges and no vertices. Okay, so your ball, your sun, your moon, your globe, all these are spheres. All these are spheres. Then cuboid. Rectangle 3D shape is known as cuboid. A closed box composed of three pairs of rectangular shape placed opposite each other and joined at right angle to each other, also known as rectangular parallel. It means when we join four rectangles, when we join four rectangles, that four rectangles make a cuboid. Okay, so your pencil box, your tiffin box, or you can say your TV, you can say your speakers, all these are cuboid. All these are cuboid because they are made up of four rectangles. Okay. Then we have cube. When we join squares, when we join squares is known as cube. It is composed of six square faces that meet each other at right angle. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. 8 vertices and 12 edges. Vertices where lines are meet. The point the lines are meeting. That point is known as vertices. So cube is made up of square. Cuboid is made up of rectangle. Cube is made up of square. So you play Rubik's cube? Yes or no? Yes, that cube is made up of squares. Then we have a cone. A cone is a three-dimensional solid geometric figure having a circle at one end, a point edge at other. You eat ice cream cone, your birthday caps, all these are of cone shape. So in this you will observe one triangle and a sphere or a circle at the one end. Okay, so this is known as cone. So you can make cone and a sphere. When you join one cone and a sphere, it will become a clown face. Okay. So in this way, we have a cone. Then we have a cylinder shape. This cylinder shape is of your gas cylinder, of your water bottle, of your Coke can. All these are of cylinder shape. A cylinder has two flat ends in the shape of circles. You can see here is one circle and another side is also one circle. These two faces are connected by a curved face that look like a tube. So if you make a flat net of a cylinder, it look like a rectangle with a circle attached at the end of it. Now what you have to do, take one sheet. It is a rectangle sheet. Flat, just curve it. Join the two sides. Now this shape is known as cylinder shape. So your water bottle, your gas cylinder, your Coke can, all these are of cylinder shape. All these are of cylinder shape. So you should know your spellings of all the shapes, that is cylinder, cone, cube, and cuboid, and next one sphere. Next one sphere. So you should learn the spellings of all the shapes, including the plane figure shapes. Those are square, rectangle, triangle, and circle. On this basis, we are going to do page number 73 and 74 today. So please take out page number 73 and 74. So you can see sphere, that is a circle when we put it on a plain paper, but when you touch it in a 3D, then it is sphere, cone, cylinder, cuboid, and cube. So the first one is sphere. You will trace them and you will color also. So sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere, A is sphere, B is cuboid. You can see this is rectangle. So rectangles make cuboid. Cuboid, cuboid, cuboid. 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 Then cone. 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 D is cube. 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 And then last one, cylinder. Cylinder. Slender. Cylinder. Cylinder. After that, identify the shapes of a given object and write their name. Now you can see these objects in your daily life. So this is a Pepsi can. So this is known as cylinder. So Cylinder. Cylinder. Then this is rectangle, so known as cuboid. 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 Then you have cone. Cone. Then you have sphere. 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 And then last one, cube and cuboid. Cuboid and cube. 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 Cuboid. Cuboid. So in this way, you're going to do page number 73 and 74. So please complete your work on page number 73 and 74. Now it's time for your diaries. So please take out your diaries. So the date is 12/1/2021. Subject is maths. Do page number 73 and 74. Do page number 73 and 74 in next class. We are going to learn something new in geometry. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.